हॅलो गाइस, स्वागत आहे माझ्या चॅनलवर. आज आपण प्रॅक्टिकल नंबर 3 टू ऑब्झर्व द फॉलोइंग रिॲक्शन अँड टू क्लासिफाय देम इनटू द टाइप्स कॉम्बिनेशन डिस्प्लेसमेंट डिकम्पोजिशन अँड डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिॲक्शन. The first is reaction of water with salt lime. Observation table. Note the heat absorbed or evolved during the reaction by touching the dish. That is, during this reaction, heat is evolved. Note whether the gas or vapor is given away in the reaction. No. Note the noise, if any, producing during the reaction. No. Note the change in the physical state. Solid CaO and liquid HO gets reacted and form CaOH in bracket 2 H2O. कन्क्ल्युजनमध्ये लिहायचं आहे, ही रिॲक्शन कॉम्बिनेशन रिॲक्शन आहे. And it is also exothermic reaction. Second, effect of heat on crystals of ferrous sulfate. Holder, test tube, ferrous sulfate crystal, and this is burner. Observation table. Light green, colorless, dark brown. Conclusion. A mixture of SO2 and SO3 gases form. A residue of dark brown color remain in the test tube. When the ferrous sulfate crystals heated, then loses water molecules due to the breakdown of crystal structure to form colorless powder. This is an example of decomposition reaction. C is reaction of solution of copper sulfate with iron nail. That is iron nail, copper sulfate, ferrous sulfate, copper deposited on iron nail. Observation table. Blue, brown, greenish and reddish color मिळतो. Conclusion is in this reaction, this is a displacement reaction. In this reaction, the reddish brown coating on the iron nail shows that copper is deposited on the iron nail. That means highest reactive metal displays less reactive metal. D. The reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride. The observation table is Na2SO4 solution before experiment was clear and transparent. BaCl2 solution before experiment was clear and transparent. The color and nature of the mixture is white. Precipitate is formed. The reaction color insoluble BaSO4 is formed. And these multiple choice questions. First is sprinkling a little water on shake lime. Red color, sodium chloride, and the reaction is iron nail with copper sulfate is displacement. And the fifth MCQ's answer is Cu, that is copper. An exercise question. To pour water on calcium oxide, which is another way to classify this reaction, explain. This is the answer. I hope it is clear. You can take this screenshot. Second question. In experiment C, speed of reaction increases if we use iron wire scrubbing instead of iron nail. Which factor do you observe that affects the rate of reaction, and explain? That is a wire scrubber. Third question. Name the substance which remains in the test tube after heating ferrous sulfate. Fe2O3. It is the answer, but you can write down the all reaction. Then last question is, observe double displacement reaction given in the textbook and write down the similarities. You can write first of all double displacement definition, then write down the similarities. You can take this screenshot. थँक्यू गाईज. अशाच प्रकारच्या व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला लाईक, कमेंट आणि शेअर करायला विसरू नका.